And now I will show you how I sew in the sleeve into the armhole. Here I have one finished. This is how it looks at the end. I didn't hide the yarn tails yet. These are the seams. And as you can see, the sleeve fitted in perfectly. And now I will show you how to do it. Now I will show you how to do it on the other side. First, what I will do, I find where is my right side of the sleeve. This is my right side. I found the middle of the sleeve. Remember, we binded off 4 stitches, so it's in the middle between those 4 stitches. What I do first, I just take the stitch markers and first I find the middle of the armhole of this shoulder slant, and first I just pin it with the markers. Find the middle here. And the other side of the sleeve. Oops, doesn't want to close. And normally I also do on whole perimeter of the sleeve, because when I sew it on, I just I can see where to put the next stitch. Let's say yes, unfortunately this is my last marker. The others are in the different project. But that's no problem. The most important is to make this visible part as perfect as possible. If you need to set in or to make some adjustments, we can do it in this area where the armpit is. There it's almost invisible, and this is what you have to do. And I will start sewing from the top. I have my thread ready and the darning needle. I will use the mattress stitch, and I start what I normally do, I leave one half of the threading yarn, so I split it by half, so when I came back I start to sew them together on the other side as well. I'm just looking where it looks the best, and that's where I sew them together. If I see some hole, I try to close this hole. I tighten it up, and every time I look how it looks on the right side. If it looks good, I continue, and I try to estimate, will it fit with the markers, is the distances equal? If you want to learn the mattress stitch, there are plenty tutorials on YouTube, internet. I advise you to learn it because it's very handy stitch to know. And this is I'm about to finish the first part of the sleeve. one side. I come to the armpit. And what I do, I just leave the yarn tail as it is, and I go again to start from the top. This is how one side looks. And now I do the same procedure on the other side. Absolutely the same mattress stitch. I take this yarn tail we left at the very beginning, the other part, I thread it in, and I continue the same way until I finish whole perimeter of the sleeve, and then I come back and I will show you how it looks. So here I am on my finishing line, and I'm excited how it always turns out nice. And I'm just finished this last bit. And this is what I mean by setting in. If you see that at the end one side or sleeve is shorter, then you can sort of split the rows. For example, normally I would go under both legs of the stitch, but just to have enough of the stitches I can go into the half. It will not damage the garment. It will not damage the garment, and this is what I mean by fitting the satin sleeve in. Now when we come to the end, this is our yarn tails. These are our yarn tails. And that's about it. This is how my armhole looks like now with a satin sleeve sewn in. And now what I will have to do, I will have to sew the sleeve itself. This I do after I set in the fitted sleeve into the garment. Thanks for watching. Please press like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you next time. Bye!